The Karcher SC3 Steam Cleaner is part of the range of products developed by the world's leading provider of cleaning technology. The SC3 is Karcher's fastest heating steam cleaner and is ready to use in just 40 seconds. And with all the accessories you need, this steam cleaner can be used to clean most surfaces. Using nothing but tap water, the SC3 deep cleans all around your home, killing up to 99.9% of bacteria. The extension tubes, EasyFix floor tool, and microfiber cloth ensure deep cleaning on most types of hard flooring, including stone, laminate, and vinyl. With a simple switch to the hand tool, you can continue easily cleaning all those surfaces that usually require a deep scrub, from tiles, work surfaces, stovetops, and doors, to glass and shower areas. The SC3 is perfect for them all. The detail nozzle and brush let you complete the job by getting to all those difficult, hard-to-clean places where grime and lime scale build up. What's more, the SC3 can be continually refilled, so when the water level drops, you can easily fill it and continue cleaning without delay. Once finished, the microfiber cloths can simply be removed and placed in the washing machine. The SC3 can then be stored away with ease.